Hello guys, welcome to Logic Odyssey. In this tutorial, we will learn about the basics of Python. Let's start with the indentation. In Python of code are denoted by indentation. Indentation refers to the white space and tab at the beginning of a code line. Using the white space, we are defining our program blocks. Where in other program languages, the indentation code is a readability only. How to use this? When a block is just to started, tap the exclamation symbol and press enter. Then follow the indentation. Actually, we use uh, curly brackets for the C language. When it comes to the Python language, we use semicolon or colon for the indentation. We use here Python identifier also. A identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, or the other objects. An identifier starts with a letter A to Z or small a to Z. An underscore are followed by the 0 or more letters. Underscores and digits 0 to 9. Python doesn't allow punctuation characters, has a uh, dollar symbol, exclamatory marks, etc. Let's see few identifier should not start with digit but it contain digits. Let 12ab equal to 20 where it shows the syntax error has invalid syntax. When it comes to ab12 equals to 20, it returns 20 because it has no syntax error. When it comes to an identifier can contain underscores, single, double and also triple. Let's see few programs. Underscore a equal to 10. It doesn't shows any syntax error because it is having a single or a double or a triple underscore. Let's start with few syntax errors in the identifiers or variables. Here we see that at the rate a equal to 20 as an identifier must not contain special character except underscore. Here we can see that at the rate a equal to 20. Here it shows the invalid syntax and a star b equal to 20. When it comes to here, syntax error shows that can't assign the value. Next comes to the a at the rate b. It shows the syntax error can't assign operator. Let's have some note points of these keywords and identifier. Keywords or reserved words can't be used as identifiers. Identifiers are case sensitive language, so Python is a case sensitive language. Keywords. Computer programming language comprises of a set of predefined words which are called keywords. Similarly, Python 3.x interpreter has 35 keywords defined in it. They cannot be used for any other purpose like constants or variables or identifier names. There are a few list of Python keywords we can see in this given picture, and we can observe that there are three keywords such as which does not follow the parameters of the keywords. They are false, true, none. Here the keyword starts with capital letters where capital F, capital M, capital T. The rest of others are started with the small, I mean lowercase. There are few note points to check whether the given keyword is present or not. Like keyword dot is keyword of false. Output shows true because it is starting with the capital F. When it comes to the next program, keyword dot is keyword of false. Here the false keyword is starting with the lowercase, so we get the output as false. Comments in Python. In a Python script, the symbol hashtag indicates the start of a command line. It is effective till the end of the line in the editor. It can be used as also in the middle of a line. The text before it is a valid Python expression, while the text following is treated as a comment. Here we can see a few examples such as hashtag this is a comment, print hello world, print welcome to Python tutorial, hashtag this is also a comment but after a statement. In this example, we can see that at the beginning of the program we have used a comment such as hashtag this is a comment, and when it comes to the second line of the program print welcome to the Python tutorial, we have started at the middle of the program like hashtag this is also comment but after a statement. We have multi-line comments also. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-comment, you could insert a hashtag for each program, such as hashtag this is a program, hashtag written in, hashtag more than just one line, print hello world. Instead of this, we can use a triple quote such as triple quotes, this is a comment written in more than just one line, triple quotes closed. This is the multi-line comments. When it comes to Python variables, variables are containers for sorting, storing data values. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring available. Just we declare variable has a name that is used to refer memory location. Python variable is also known as an identifier and used to hold value. In Python, we don't need to declare explicit variable. That is, variable need not to be declared or defined in advance. When comes to the data types in Python data types, we have five Python data types such as numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. Here, numeric is furtherly divided as integer, complex numbers, float. When comes to the sequence also, we defined as divided as string, list, tuple. Now we will divide as mutable or immutable. Mutable means that we can change their content without changing their identity. Immutable, no provision to change the resigned or the assigned value for an index. Here we can see that in simpler words, mutable can be modified, immutable cannot be modified. Let's see few Python data types which are immutable and mutable. Immutable are number, strings, and tuples. When it comes to the mutable, list, dictionary, sets. And Python data types in depth, we can see that strings, numbers, list, tuples, dictionary, sets, boolean. Strings such as under the single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes, such as single quote Python, which comes under this string, and numbers such as 10, 10.5, 10 plus 5j. This comes under the numbers. List, the values which are under the square brackets comes under the list, and when comes to the list which are in the open bracket and closed bracket, a dictionary is like key and values. We have the key and